Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can block calls on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, all you gotta do is first of all access your particular Instagram app on your mobile phone. Now right over here you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? Simply go ahead, tap on this message icon on top right. Go ahead, choose a user whom you would like to block. Go ahead, tap on that user, right? So for instance, let me unblock this user for now. So right over here, all you gotta do is, if you want to simply stop receiving the calls, first thing that you can do is tap on the profile, scroll down to the bottom. You can simply restrict them, and you can simply restrict their account so they won't have. Other thing is simply going to tap on this block option, tap on block, and now that particular user is simply blocked. And we can also choose to simply delete their conversation with us, so now they won't be there and they won't be able to simply call us or message us anytime. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.